Hello everyone, and welcome back after a pretty long time. It looks like I can't really hold my promises. Excuse me because I'm pretty tired because I was the whole day working, so excuse me for that. What are we doing today? I need to take a look. I think it will be butter wet wax from Chemical Guys. So it's this product, if it focuses on it. So it's one of the first it's one of the first products I bought myself, so I don't think it's very good. It's more of a product that I got when I was a newbie. Some people like it, I don't. In the beginning I liked it because I didn't know anything better, so Chemical Guys in general were the first company I ever used, so I thought they were good till I tried other brands and they were a bit better, so that's why I wanted to show you guys this butter wet wax. I am not going to go in depth because it's a pretty old product and there are a lot of videos about it, so it's more a my opinion video. It's very easy to use, it's just a wipe on, wipe off product. It takes a few seconds. In my opinion, it doesn't last very long, it doesn't add much shine. The hydrophobicity I don't really know, so that's what we will test out today. And other than that, we will take a look and we will see. So we will do half of the hood of the car, so I parked it inside, a bit inside, because with my neighbors, I think it's quite awkward for my neighbors. Sorry for noise in the background, because I don't live too far from an airport, so that's why. I will go over the hood with Geon Prep to make sure all the oils and resting wax residue is removed, and then we will see what the results are and how good Chemical Guys butter wet wax really is. The car itself, it's in for a good polish. The paint isn't that good anymore, so maybe in the summer I'll do a good polish on it. It's white, so you can't see very much. But now I will show you the difference between the butter wet wax side and the non-butter wet wax side, so we will see what it does. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is very easy. I'm gonna put some butter wet wax on this applicator pad, which is very nice with a pocket for your hand. So I just shake the product and put it on my applicator pad, just a bit. That's it, it's a yellow substantial, and just wipe it on. So when your pad turns yellow, of course, you can see it a bit on the paint, but not that much actually. So, and especially on white paint, you can't really see a difference on it. On black paint, on black paint, it's really easy to see. So on black paint, it's also really easy to apply. You can wipe it off straight away. So that's what I will do. I will put you guys here again. I take my microfiber towel. One. So, and it's all off. It's as easy as that. So that's why I bought it in the first place. Now you can feel a difference, of course. So here it's much smoother than on this side. So now I have my bottle of water, so we'll do a test on the car and we will see how good it really is. My zooming capabilities are not that good, as you can see, so we'll test it out. So on the right side we have the side without burrow wet wax and on the left side with. So here first you can see it does shade a bit and it does beat. On the right side the water sticks more to the paint, so I'm already surprised that it does anything. So that's already good. But you can see a good difference between the two sides. So I'm already surprised with that. You can see it rolls off more easily on the left side than on the right side. So I'm already surprised with the end result on this. The durability on this product is not that good, so it lasts maybe for 2 weeks at maximum in my eyes. Maybe you guys have better results with it, so let me know that in the comments. But with me it lasted only 2 weeks, so it's not a product for me. Honestly, I like a product that lasts a bit longer, a wax that lasts a bit longer when I put the time in. So after this video I probably won't use this wax anymore, so it disappears in a box. Next video I will be testing probably Jet Seal for you guys, another product that I bought when I was a newbie, and another product that I used once or twice and it disappeared in a box. So I will show you guys that in my next video. Butter wet wax, I only see the result and it's not that good, and I don't see a difference in shine. Of course it's a white car, it's harder to see, but I also have a black car and it doesn't make that much of a difference on that car. Yeah, so I won't use it after this video. It was a product that I bought when I was a newbie. I wouldn't buy it again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao!